Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Kumar Khuntia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pharmacy Knowledge Series. Today we are going to discuss on pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy, the importance of the study of pharmacognosy and the applications of pharmacognosy. Basically, the pharmacognosy deals with the study of natural drugs which are obtained from organisms such as plants, microorganisms, and animals. Up to date, most of the important drugs we get from the natural medicines include morphine, atropine, galantamine, etc. These molecules have been originated from the natural sources, which continue to be the excellent good molecules in the drug discovery and development. The traditional medicine, which is a part of pharmacognosy, and the most of the third world countries depend upon the herbal medicines. The pharmacognosy helps the pharmaceutical sciences to play a vital role in the drug discovery. The natural products are nothing but a chemical substance which have been produced by the living organisms, which are the plants, mushrooms, animals, microorganisms. Pharmacognosy is a science of drugs which deals with the origin of natural sciences in the disciplines of pharmaceutical sciences. Pharmacognosy can be described as the systemic science of biological, chemical, morphological properties, along with history of cultivation, collection, extraction, bioassaying, isolation, quality control, and preparation of crude drugs of natural origin. The mineral sources can also be considered within the pharmacognosy domain. There was a German botanist named Seidler who was the first person coined pharmacognosy. So Seidler was the German botanist who coined pharmacognosy. Plants have always been used as a kind of medicine by the humans to treat health threatening diseases, and this has become a popular for the new drug candidates as it is the oldest medical practice for the human beings. The botanical source of medicines, the health products are increasing all over the world. Almost 80% of the population in the developing countries, they depend upon the traditional medicines which composes of herbal drugs. The natural product terminology can be organism itself, obtained from the animals, plants, microorganisms, or any kind of organism. It could be the flowers, leaves, roots, or it can be a isolated glands, or the other animal origin. It could be extract of the pure substances. Plants are the prolific sources having bioactive chemicals like caffeine, morphine, atropine, ephedrine, digoxin, taxol, vincristine, vinblastine, colchicine. So these are the few examples of the chemical components that we get from the natural sources, that is a plant origin. Approximately 25% of the prescribed drugs dispensed in the US contain at least one active ingredient which is of the plant sources. The natural products, the chemicals, the compounds are still attracting a great attention from the scientists. Not only plants but also the organisms, including the marine animals. It could be the worms, it could be the it could be reptiles, etc. The microorganisms produce a very important drug candidate molecules. For instance, the precursor of the acyclovir, which is an antiviral drug, was first described in the marine sponge that was developed into antiviral drug. Similarly, there are a lot of chemical substances which have been isolated from the plant origin, fungal origin. It could be it could be of various forms that we'll read in detail in the upcoming lectures. Some of the compounds which are being used as an active ingredient in the form of isolated from plant extracts, and some are the mimic of a natural plant compound. Therefore, the natural compounds could be good models for developing novel drug molecules. Modifying is an important action for drug discovery, which in some cases have the natural products exert little or even no activity themselves. A very good example could be Bastatin 3, which is isolated from Taxus, and which is modified into a Taxol and an anti cancer drug. So when we see about pharmacognosy, we don't see any ethical issues, and these are safe for the human use. This is how I conclude today's video on the the basics that we have covered. But we'll continue the lecture in the upcoming sessions on more about the pharmacognosy and its applications. Till then, have a good day. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel, that is a Pharmacy Knowledge Series. With your feedback and comments, this helps me to encourage, to motivate, to prepare more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.